Welcome back to another video. Soel here, and today we're gonna see 5 most reliable candlestick patterns with the highest degree of accuracy. The information in this video is from the book Encyclopedia of Candlestick Charts by Thomas Balkowski, who made performance rankings for candlestick patterns based on their accuracy rate. Alright, let's begin with number 5, 2 black gapping. This is a bearish continuation pattern and it forms in the middle of a downtrend. The first candle opens with a downside gap, which means there is a gap with previous candle and the shadows don't overlap. It's a medium to large red candle with small shadows, and being opened lower than the previous candle, it shows very high selling pressure. And the next candle opens with a gap somewhere near the midpoint of the first candle. And at first it may seem that buyers took the control and we have a sudden buying pressure, but instantly sellers take the control, don't allow the price to go much higher than the open, and the resulting red candle closes below the first candle close, or ideally below first candle low. This pattern shows there is a possibility for continuation of the downtrend, and it happens frequently in the market. According to Balkowski analysis, this pattern has 68% accuracy rate. Number 4, bullish abandoned baby. This is a bullish reversal pattern that forms somewhere in the bottom following a downtrend or near a support level. The first candle is a medium to long red candle that shows selling pressure, and after that the next candle opens with a considerable gap below the first candle low, that at first it seems that selling pressure accelerated and we are encountering a very high selling pressure, but buyers step in and the resulting candle is a doji, which shows complete indecision and a standoff between bulls and bears. Pay attention that this is a downside gap, which means there is no overlap between shadows and they do not touch. The next candle, which is a green candle, opens with an upside gap, which means that its lower shadow doesn't touch the upper shadow of the doji. This pattern shows the decline is weakening and the bulls are in control now. There is a possibility of reversal and advancing of the price. This pattern happens very rarely and making it not highly tradable pattern. According to Balkowski analysis, this pattern has 70% accuracy rate. Number 3, evening star. This is a bearish reversal pattern that forms somewhere in the top following an uptrend or near resistance levels. The first candle is a medium to long green candle, as we expect for being in an uptrend. The second candle is a small candle that forms in star position. Actually, it's a spinning top candle with small shadows. The color doesn't matter, and it opens with a gap, and there is a gap between the two bodies. And next, the third candle is a medium to long red candle that opens with a gap below the second candle body and goes down considerably in the body of the first candle. It's better to go below the midpoint of the first candle. This pattern shows the bulls are weakening and there is a possibility that the advance is ending and we may have a reversal and declining of the price. The frequency of having this pattern is moderate to rare, not happens frequently, and according to Balkowski, this pattern has 72% accuracy rate. Number 2, 3 black crows. This is a bearish reversal pattern and it forms somewhere in the top in uptrends or near resistance levels. The first candle is a medium to long red candle which shows selling pressure somewhere in the top. The next candle opens with a gap above the first candle close, but no chance for the bulls, and the bears push the price lower significantly and the candle closes below the first candle close. The third candle again opens with a gap above the second candle close, but this time also the bulls are not able to take the control and the bears push the price down and the candle closes below the second candle close. This pattern shows the advance is weakening and the bulls are not able to drive the price higher, and the selling pressure is much higher than the buying pressure, and this indicates that this uptrend may end and a reversal is possibly happening. Frequency of having this pattern on chart is moderate, which means you may spot this pattern regularly, and according to Balkowski, this pattern has 78% accuracy rate. And number 1, the highest degree of accuracy for bullish 3-line strike. This is a bullish reversal pattern and it forms somewhere in the bottom following a downtrend or near a support level. In this pattern, we have 3 consecutive short red candles and second and third ones opens in the body of the previous candle, something like 3 black crows. And this shows signs of increased buying pressure. And after that, a long green candle forms that totally engulfs the previous 3 candles, which means that the 4th candle opens with a gap below the 3rd candle, but suddenly, because of high buying pressure, a long green candle forms and it closes above the 1st candle. This shows very high buying pressure and possibility of reversal and advancing of the price. This pattern rarely forms on the chart, but when it happens, you'll have the opportunity of having a pattern with the highest degree of accuracy. According to Balkovsky, this pattern has 84% accuracy rate. I have a comprehensive course on candlesticks and candlestick patterns in 6 episodes, and it's a complete guide to this subject, and most of the common and reliable patterns are explained. I recommend you to watch it if you're interested to learn how to analyze candlestick charts. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you found any value in this video, please like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.